Hello, I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create color style in Figma. Without wasting time, let's just jump straight into it. Let's say we're working on a big project that have got multiple screens, let's say 100 of screen, and then we are asked to change colors on the user interface element, just like this one. So the first way to go about it is to highlight all the elements and change the colors. So let's do that. As you can see, we have managed to change the colors, but here there is redundancy. We are repeating ourselves. This means that if we've got 100 screens, we have to go to each and every page, highlight all the elements and change the colors. There is a better way to do this, and that is to create a color style. So let's just change these and give these different colors for the sake of illustration. And then let's give this the color that we want. Okay, sorry about that. Let's just create, yes, that is it. So what we want to create a color style out of this color. Then what we are going to do, instead of clicking here, we are going to click here on style, and then from then we are not going to search for style, we are going to create a style. So we are going to click this plus icon. As you can see, this color has been sampled, and then we can give it a style name, and then we create. So we can highlight, now that we created a color style, we can highlight the elements that we want to change. Instead of changing the color here in this square box and then in this square shape, then we can just come here and select a style, and then from there, as you can see, this is the style that we've created before. Then when we click it, then the color has been applied. But if the customer come and say that I want the colors to be changed, let's say obviously we've got more than 100 screen, we can just go to the main color style, and then from then we can change the color here. As you can see, we have changed it once and it has updated in all the UI element. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msingati, that's about it. See you on the next one. Please do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe.